This is what my bathtub looks like after bathing my two 60-pound muddy golden doodles, but luckily I have an electric scrub brush to make cleaning the bathtub so much easier. This little scrub brush is super convenient and it may look small, but it packs a big punch when it comes to cleaning. The kit comes with everything you could need to get started using your scrub brush right away, including 9 different brush heads and an extendable pole so you can reach even the tallest of ceilings and showers and get them nice and clean without any effort at all. With 9 different brush heads, there is sure to be a brush head that will tackle any project around your home. This powerful spinning scrub brush comes with 3 different power settings to allow you to clean from the gentlest to the hardest and toughest to clean of surfaces. This scrub brush made super quick work of cleaning up my bathtub after bathing my 2 muddy dogs, and the extendable pole allowed me to clean without having to stoop or strain my back. The smaller brush head makes it really easy to get into tight spots and clean really detailed areas without any effort at all. After about 10 minutes of effort, my bathtub is sparkling clean and white again, and I'm so glad that this scrub brush was there to help. This scrub brush works really well in all areas of the house, and especially on any kind of soap, scum, or grout in your shower. Once you get your hands on this scrub brush, you'll want to throw away all your other brushes.